All right, step 2, we are going to run FormMule. We're going to make it generate an email to send to our clients after we have filled out our Google form. So we're going to come back up to add-ons now that we have gotten the FormMule add-on. You're going to find your FormMule and you're going to launch it or open it, whichever word it says for you. Right. When we launch it, we are going to first select the sheet that we want it to come from. And the sheet that we want is our form responses. So there should only be one option underneath there for you, and it should be form response. We are going to send the email on a trigger. That means when something happens, it goes. Like yesterday, our trigger was when timestamp was not null, it sent the email. Same thing for today. We're going to send form trigger, not a time trigger. We're going to do a form trigger and send on form submit. Right. The next one, we're only going to have one template. If we were doing all of our businesses in one Google form like we had tried to do in the beginning, then we would have multiple templates. A template for the candy contest, a template for the crazy hair contest, a template for the raffle. But since we are going to do it individually for each one, we're only going to have one template. So one template, and we're going to send for all rows. So we're just going to leave that just as it is. We're not going to do anything. And then we're going to click Save Template. Right, and then we're going to hit Next. And now we're going to begin editing the template that we are going to use to send our emails. All right, here is our email builder, kind of where we're going to build the template for the email that's going to be sent. Just like Autocrat, we're going to use tags. So it's going to be a little bit easier. We don't have to actually type the tags. Today we just get to click and drop. So the first one, we're going to come up here to where it says to, and the person that we want to send it to is the customer's email. So you're going to click on customer's email. It adds the tag and customer's email and then the tags. All right, I do want you to copy it to me. I do want to make sure that I get a copy of it. So if you will please click, whoa, did not mean for that to happen. So customer's email, and then I do need it to come to me. So melody_kunn@misd.gs. If you would like to send a copy to yourself as well, you're going to hit the comma, and then you're going to type your email address. Right. Okay, we are going to have a subject. Our subject is same as yesterday. Thank you for your purchase. Right. And then in the body, we're going to do something using the tags a little bit more. So, good day. And then we're going to say customer's name. This part is a little bit wonky. What it's going to do when it sends the email is it's going to type good day, customer's name, colon, and then their name. We actually don't want it to have to call out what it's telling us the tag is, so we're going to get rid of that part right there, so it just puts in the customer's name. So it'll say, good day, Melody, Bob, comma, thank you for purchasing, and then we're going to put the tag in of what it was that they ordered. So item ordered. Again, we don't need to say, hey, the next word is going to be the item that you ordered. We're just going to take that part out, so it only has the tags. Thank you for purchasing your raffle ticket, period. You purchased, and then we're going to say how many they purchased, quantity. Again, we don't need to say, hey, the next word is going to be quantity. We can take that away. You purchased 15, and then we could say item order again, so we know what they purchased. You purchased 4 raffle tickets at the total cost of, and then we could put total cost in. Again, take away the part that says, hey, the next words are total cost. For the total cost of, and then it'll put in the amount. just like yesterday, we need to add the $sign. Our spreadsheet's not giving us the $sign because we didn't write it that way. So we're just going to put the $sign right there in front of total costs. So it'll insert it nice and clean and smoothly and not cause any issues back on our spreadsheet. We can hit the period and then thank you for your business and then your name. Okay. If you had something else you needed to put in here, like a link to go some other site or to go to, perhaps Open Mic is going to need a place for people to submit the jokes and their stories that they're going to say, you could put the link right here and then say click the link below to tell us what your joke is going to be or what your story is going to be. But you can add extra information here. All right, that is all we're going to do for the FormMule. And then you're going to click up here at the top where it says Save and Send All. It's giving me this error because I haven't had anybody fill out my form yet. So right now I have an error, but here's what it will look like. It's going to go to whoever my recipient is. It's also going to copy to me. It's going to say, thank you for your purchase. Good day. If I had a customer's name here, it would show up right here. Thank you for purchasing. If I had what it would show up here. You purchased whatever it was at the total cost of, and there's our nice $sign. Thank you for your business and our name. So we don't have anybody to send it to yet because I have not filled it out. So if I hit close, come back to my Google form, come up to the I, and I'm just going to do test name. I'm going to put in my email address for an email address. They ordered stuff. They ordered 15 of them, and the cost was $1, $1, and hit submit. I come back to my invoice. Here it comes, my spreadsheet. Here it comes. The FormMule worked, 15 of them. 15 times 1 is 15. And my template for my FormMule, that's in this column, that worked. So if I come back to my email, I can double check. It came from me because it was me. And here's the email. So good day, test name. Thank you for purchasing stuff. You purchased 15 stuff at the total cost of $15. Thank you for your business, Miss Kern. That is how yours should look, similar in your email as well. All right, great job. Here we go. Let's give it a whirl.